So today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your Keurig coffee maker. I checked online and seen a couple different ideas on how to do it, and people were using vinegar and baking soda, and you get the little lime and calcium deposits, and it's kind of gross looking, like it grosses me out. So I followed some of the procedures. I tried it out for quite some time. Didn't really work very well, did it, and I found this just to be the best solution to cleaning your Keurig coffee maker.
Information needed.
So this was definitely the quickest potential way to make your Keurig super fresh and clean. No more calcium deposits, crystal clear. This is gonna brew one heck of a cup of coffee.